when students take their first benchmarker of the year, they will be placed into the program depending on what their scores were. There are now 26 stages and 11 mastery rounds. There used to be 20 stages, so we've moved all the way through the grade 5 content. And there's vertical presentation and area models and grids, and then the language has been really beefed up, so kids won't be surprised by some language that they might hear on standardized state tests. Here's a quick look at one of the grid models and a quick tour of the revised Symphony game board. So students can now track their own time, and they'll know how many minutes they've been on for the week. As this little arrow goes around the circle, it's going to turn green when it gets closer to 45 minutes, which is what's recommended for most students. The fluency rounds are depicted by the little gray boxes, which will turn green as the students finish each fluency round. And then the stages are set up on these little screens at the back. So as you see, kindergarten, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th grades are all separated out. And as students finish them, you'll see a check mark on top of each of the grade levels. Then if you look at the Symphony game board, you can just see where your students are by looking at where their Symphony game piece is located on the board. Symphony videos are a great new feature. If students feel stuck in a problem or don't quite understand how to use the manipulatives, have them push the question mark at the top, and they can watch a question being answered for them. It might not be the same exact question, but it'll be a similar question. And then we also have offline materials for students who need help. So if kids get really stuck, you'll see a suggested help worksheet. And if you click on that number, right here it's 1.1, you'll get a tailored piece of instruction for the student, and this is something to use with a student. These aren't worksheets to give to them. It's meant to be a dialogue between teacher and student so that they can get over the hump on whatever it was that was really getting them stuck.